Nothing compares to homemade noodles, and you can make these in less than 15 minutes.
Today, I'm going to show you how easy it is to make my Polish grandma's homemade noodles.
The ingredients are simple: 2 cups of flour, 2 eggs, and water and extra flour as needed. This recipe is for a small batch, but you can double or triple it. This recipe is so fast and easy that you should get your water boiling before you even begin. Add the 2 eggs to the 2 cups of flour.
What you're doing is you're incorporating it all together. Not all recipes use water in the noodles, but my grandmother always did. So what you're going to do is you're going to keep kneading the dough. I've already got it to form a mound, but I can feel that it's a little on the wet side, so I'm going to keep incorporating this flour. The way you knead is, my grandma taught me this, you use the heel of your hand. So you just keep going in like this, and it just kind of incorporates it, mixes it together. Take a little bit of the clean flour, make a base. This way the dough won't stick. This out of the way. I was going to try to use my grandmother's roller. This is her actual roller, but there's something with the mechanisms that aren't working. So I decided to use my old standby.
Roll the dough in all directions to flatten it out. Cut the dough into strips. Keep in mind that the width of the strips will be the length of your noodles. Stack the strips of dough into layers with flour in between so that they don't stick to each other. Now I'm going to cut the stack of noodle strips in half and double it up. This way I can cut the noodles twice as fast. Put a little pile of flour next to where you'll be cutting your dough. That way, you can mix your noodles right into the flour and they won't stick to each other. My grandma's noodles were uniform and perfect. Mine, well, let's just call them rustic. But I promise you, your noodles will be just as delicious as my grandma's, no matter what they look like. See how easy it is to turn dough into noodles? Drop the raw noodles into the boiling water, making sure they're spread out enough so they don't clump together. When they float to the top, they're pretty much cooked. Give them a quick rinse. Try your noodles with butter and herbs. And in soup. Homemade noodles will elevate your chicken noodle soup to the highest level. See you next time for more authentic Polish recipes.